ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दाय तपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोतीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तककेशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम्। यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः। ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ओम श्री
श्री
परमात्मने
परमात्मने
नमः।
नमः।
अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः।
अथ
अथ
पंचमोऽध्यायः।
पंचमोऽध्यायः।
श्रीभगवानुवाच
श्रीभगवानुवाच
तद्बुद्धयस्तदात्मानस्तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः
तद्बुद्धयस्तदात्मानस्तन्निष्ठाः तत्परायणाः
तत्परायणाः
गच्छन्त्य पुनरावृत्तिं ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः
गच्छन्त्य
गच्छन्त्य
पुनरावृत्तिं
पुनरावृत्तिं
ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः
ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः
तद्बुद्धयः तदात्मानः तन्निष्ठाः तत्परायणाः इति एतानि पदानि साधकस्य इत्युक्ते मुमुक्षोः विशेषणानि पदानि। भाष्यकारेण उक्तं प्रत्येकं पदस्य समस्तपदस्य विग्रहवाक्यं भाष्यकारेण उक्तं। तस्मिन् ब्रह्मणि बुद्धिः गता येषां तद्बुद्धयः तदेव परं ब्रह्म आत्मा परं ब्रह्म इति आत्मा येषां ते तदात्मानः इति इत्यादयः अस्माभिः दृष्टं भाष्यम्। यः मुमुक्षुः तत्परायणः मुमुक्षवः तत्परायणाः भवति सः प्रथमावस्था तत्परायणाः, द्वितीय अवस्था तन्निष्ठाः, तृतीय अवस्था तदात्मानः, चतुर्थ अवस्था तद्बुद्धयः। सः ज्ञाननिर्धूतक ते मुमुक्ष बहुवचन ते ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः सन्तः ज्ञानेन सर्वाणि कल्मषानि निर्धूतानि येषां ते ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः सन्तः ते गच्छन्ति पुनरावृत्तिं गच्छन्ति। पुनरावृत्तिम् इत्युक्ते मोक्षं प्राप्नुवन्ति। अपुनरावृत्तिं पुनर्देहसम्बन्धं न प्राप्नुवन्ति। अपुनर्देहसम्बन्धम् इति भाष्यकारेण उक्तम्। We have seen the shloka along with the bhashyam. Arranging the words in the order, the reverse order, we get the sequence. Beginning stage, tatparayanaha, commitment, then tanishtaha, then tadatmanaha, tadbuddhayaha. Then by jnanena Nirdhota kalmasha. Kalmasha, the basic kalmasha being ajnanam. Jnanena ajnana nivrittihi. Therefore, jnanavantaha santaha te gachanti apunaravrtim. No coming back to the samsara. Punaha deha praptihi tesham na bhavanti. Tadeva gachanti. मोक्षं प्राप्नुवन्ति विदे जीवन मुक्ति विदेह मुक्ति मुक्तिं प्राप्नुवन्ति जीवन एव जीवन मुक्तिः शरीर पतनादनन्तरं विदेह मुक्तिः प्राप्नुवन्ति इति we have seen the bhashyam along with the bhashyam Gita Priyabodhini तद्बुद्धये सदात्मानः तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः गच्छन्ति पुनरावृत्तिं ज्ञान निर्धूतकल्मषाः Acharya here beautifully explains each compound. Tadbuddhayaha iti. Tadbuddhayaha. But he has not arranged in the order, chronological order, but we did in the Vashyam. Tadbuddhayaha. Adityena Rupamiva Shravanadi Janya Jnanena Prakashitam Sarva Vedanta Prasiddham Satchidananda Ekarasam Sarvatmakam Yat Param Brahma Tasmineva Buddhi Yesham Te Tadbuddhayaha. Adityena Rupam Iva. Adityah Surya Surya Prakasha Iva. Yata Surya Prakasha Nandakar Nivrittihi. Tadvat Jnanam is compared to the Aditya Prakasha, Surya Prakasha. Shravanadi Janya Jnanena Shravana Manana Nididhyasena Janyam Jnanam Tena Prakashitam Jnana Prakashitam Yat Jnanam Prakashitam Bhavati. That Yat Prakashitam in the Sambandha Vasya, Ashika uses this word Prakashitam. Yat Param Jnanam Prakashitam. It's a Sangati. It's a Yat Jnanam Prakashitam. So Prakashitam. Yat Jnanam Prakashitam. And the sadhana is Shravana Manana Jana Nidhyasana. Tena Tehi Sadhanegi Janya Jnanena Prakashitam, which is Sarva Vedanta Sarva Upanishad Prasiddham, and that is Satta Chitta Ananda Ekarasam. That is Ekarasam Raso Vaisaha. Ananda Ekarasam. Eka iti padena only. There is no second thing. One homogeneous, only one thing, that is Ananda, which is Brahma of Sat and Chitta. Lakshanatmakam Satchidananda Ekarasam Brahma Sarvatmakam, which is in the form of everything, Sarvatmakam. Yet Param Brahma, that which is the Param ultimate, that is the Param Brahma, Tasmineva Buddhihi. In that alone, Buddhihi, their intellect, Teshante Tadbuddhayaha. They are Tadbuddhayaha. Sarvatra Brahmadarshinaha. For them, Brahmadrashtum Sheelam Yeshante. Brahmadarshinaha. Brahmadarshi. They are Brahmadarshi. They see Brahma everywhere. By mentioning this, the next shloka he is going to say how Katam Sarvatra Brahma Pashyati. Mumukshubhihi. By Mumukshus. Kalpita Bedam Agrihitva. Veda Drishti Agrihitva. Not holding to or not, they don't see Veda. Agrihitva Chakshusha Rupam Iva. Yata Indriyehi Vishaya Jnanam Bhavati. Chakshusha Rupam Iva. So there is Drishya. Veda is there. Therefore, Kalpita Vedam Agrihitva. Pratyak Drishtya, Atma Drishtya. Atma Drishtya Sada Sarvatra, always everywhere. Brahma Eva Drashtavyam Ityartha. That is Tadbuddhayaha. अद्वैत दृष्टिया अभेद दृष्टिया इंद्रियैः भेद दृष्टि आत्मदृष्ट्या अभेद दृष्टि therefore आत्मदृष्ट्या सदा एवरीवेयर they see always ब्रह्म एव अथवा द्रष्टव्यम द्रष्टव्यम इति उपदेशः द्रष्टव्यम सर्वं ब्रह्म एव इति सर्वत्र ब्रह्मणि गृह्यमाने अपि एवरीथिंग इज ईश्वर ब्रह्म सर्वत्र therefore ब्रह्मणि एव गृह्यमाने ब्रह्म alone is understood is gryhyamane then brahma alone is there at sarvatra and that alone is gryhyate that alone is known that alone is perceived not physically in the form of jnanam brahmani eva gryhyamane api grahita that is grahitru the perceiver grahyam grahita grahyam iti bhedah syat then there will be when Brahma alone is perceived not through the sense organs, by buddhi, by buddhya, by knowledge, then there rises the difference, Gragita and Gragyam, the knower and the known, Vedaha syat, tada, etasmin nudaramantaram kurate, atatasya bhayam bhavati, iti, the one who sees antaram, the difference, for him alone, the bhayam, iti Upanishad Vakya. Iti, Veda drashtuhu, drashta, the one who sees the difference, for him there is bhaya. Dvaitadhi bhayam bhavati. So therefore, this Dvaitam causes fear of limitation, parichinnatvam. Therefore, Veda drashtahu, for the one who appreciates this difference, for him there is fear. Bhayashravanat. Shruti, Vakyam, therefore Shravanat. Ataha, Abhedena drashtavyam. Abheda drishtya sarvatra brahma drishtyavam iti yaha tadatmanaha. That is a second word. So Abhedena drashtavyam. Drashtavyam should be seen, should be known, everything as Brahma, which is all karakas are Brahma. Gragita, Gragyam, everything. That by which is known, all the karaka, Brahma iti drashtavyam, tadatmanaha. Tadeva param, Brahmatma, aham pratyayartaha, yesham te tadatmanaha, Brahmaivaha mahamiti, Brahmaniyeva svatvana sakshat kare, aham pratyayavantaha, natu deha ityartaha, natu deha ityartaha. So tad Brahma eva param, so Brahmatma, aham iti thought, aham pratyaya, vritti, pratyasya artaha, aham pratyayartaha is Brahmatma, yesham te, for whom that aham is Brahmatma, natu degaha doesn't point to the shariram, yesham te tadatmanaha, Brahma eva aham iti, aham Brahma atma iti, Brahmani eva svatmana sakshat krite, sakshat kritaha, Brahmani eva svatmana sakshat krite, aham Brahma iti sakshatkaraha, directly knowing sakshatkrita, by knowledge, cognitively knowing, understanding, sakshatkrite. Saha aham pratyavantaha is aham pratyavantaha, aham pratyavan, pratyavanto, pratyavantaha, aham Brahma iti, that pratyaya, one who has that pratyaya, who has knowledge, that is tadatmanaha, natu deha pratyavantaha. देहे तस्य बुद्धिः नास्ति आत्मनि एव ब्रह्मणि एव तस्य बुद्धिः प्रत्ययः समाधि दशायां ब्रह्मणि एव अहं प्रत्यये सत्यपि विदुषः आहारादौ देहे अहं प्रत्ययश्च तेन प्रबलेन चिरकालिकेन स्थूलेन देहात्मप्रत्ययेन ब्रह्मात्मप्रत्ययः भाग्यध्वनिना नादध्वनिवत् विनश्यति. In the samadhi avastha, in the nirvikalpa samadhi avastha, that aham is pratyaya is only with Brahma, that aham is Brahma. Satyapi, even though aham Brahma asmi iti, this pratyaya is there, this this cognition, this thought is there in the samadhi avastha for the vidushaha, for the jnani. In the other avastha, aharado, with regard to eating and other activities, dehe aham pratyaya bhavati. Dehe aham iti, because there is action and therefore there is doer and therefore aham pratyaya. Tena prabalena, by the force, by the aham pratyaya. Tena, referring to aham pratyayena. Dehe aham pratyaya. Deha pratyayavan bhavati. Anyavastayam. By that, prabalena, shirakalikena stulena, dehatma pratyayena brahmatma pratyaya. By this dehatma pratyaya, by the abhimana with the degha, another avastha, that and samadhi avastha, for a long time with the stula, shariram, brahmatma pratyaya is destroyed, like the bhagya dhvani, the external noise, destroys the internal, the chant and meditation, japa, when a noise is there in the external world, outside, then you won't be able to do japa. Ta vinashyati, tadvat, therefore, tataha, therefore, bhagyam karma sarvam sanyasya, therefore, giving up all the karma, ahara the avastasu, in the avastha, that is the waking avastha, when actions are performed, ahara, nidra, etc., other avastha. Sarvasu api, all in all the avastha, brahmani eva atmabuddhya, drishya anavaghaginya startavyam iti aha. In all the other avastha, sarvasta avastasu, brahmani eva atma. Atma, aham, atma is Brahma iti jnanam, that buddhya, with that buddhi, drishya anavaghaginya, not immersed in what is seen, that is the Vishayas, not carried over by the perceived things in the, not carried over by the perceived, the Vishayas, other Vishayas. Anavagaginya, without carried over by the Drishya Vastu, that is the Vishayas, objects of the world, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Tatavyam, one should be, Mumukshu should be. What Tanishta iti, that is what Tanishta, Brahmani eva Nishta. So Anyas to not only in Samadhi Avastha, Anyas Avastha so eva Brahma Buddhya Statavyam. Drishya Prapancha, Drishya Jagat Anavaghaginya, not carried over by this Drishya Jagat. It will cause Veda Buddhi. Therefore, not overpowered by Veda Buddhi, Abeda Buddhya Sarvada Statavyam. That is referred to by the word Tanishta. Tasmin Brahmani Atmakara Pratyakaranam eva Nishta Aham Buddhehe Naischalyam Yeshante Tanishtaha. Brahmani Atmakara Pratyakaranam eva Nishta. Aham Pratyaya, Daham Pratyaya, Brahmani Atmakaram. Brahmani, in Brahma alone, this Atma, Brahmani Atmakara Pratyakaranam means placing or identifying or knowing that this Atma is Brahma iti. Karanam should be done. Pratyaya Karanam. Pratyaya Karanam is Pratyaya should be that thought. Because vritti alone binds a person. Ajnana vritti binds. Jnana vritti destroys Ajnana Vritti and therefore samsara is destroyed. Aham Dehavan iti buddhihi, Aham Dehavan Shariravan iti buddhihi, Ajnana Vrittihi. Aham Atma Brahma iti buddhihi, Jnana Vrittihi. Therefore, Pratyaya Karanam, the Pratyaya should be, that Aham iti Pratyaya should be identified as Brahma. Therefore, Nishta in that. Aham Buddhehe Naischalyam. Aham Buddhi. Not Aham iti, not to Deha Buddhi, Aham Atma Buddhi. Atma Buddhehe Naischalyam. Naischalyam is Nishchayatmika Buddhihi. Aham Atma iti Buddhihi Naischalyam. Nishchitam. Yeshamte, for whom it is very firm, decisive, ascertained, well ascertained. Te Tanishtaha. They are Tanishtaha. Swasya Brahmatma Avastitva Darshinaha. Swasya, for them, for him, Atma is Brahma, Brahma is Atma. Iti Avastita, Avastitatva Darshinaha. Darshinaha, having the vision that Brahma, that Atma is one with Brahma. Atma abiding in Brahma. Atma is one with Brahma. That is the meaning. Atma is not different from Brahma. Jiva Brahma Aikyam. That is the vision. The one who has the vision is, that is a Tattvam. Jiva Brahma Aikyam, that is the truth. And that Tattvam, Tattvadarshi, Tesham, Tattvadarshinaha, Eva, Stiri Bhuta Vrittayaha, the Vritti which is made very steady, strong, firm. Ityarthaha. That is Tanishtaha. Brahmatva Darshane, Brahma is Atma, that is Aikyam, so Darshane, that Aikya Darshanam, the vision of oneness, Brahmatva Darshane, Stiri Bhuta Chitta Vritti, Nam, the Vritti which is Stiri Bhuta is firm, which is Stiri, which is Stiram, that Buddhi, Stira Buddhi, Stiri Bhuta Chitta Vritti Nam, Api, Kvachit, Prayojana, Prayojanantarapeksha Asti, Chet, Sa Nishta Prativadyate, Bhagyatmatam cha syat, Tataha Karyantaram Bhagyam Kinchidapi Anapeksha Umuksho Sada Tadeka Paratrena Bhavita Vimitya Hatat Parayanaha iti. Kvachit Prayojana Antarapeksha Asti Chet. So Brahm Chet Sa Nishta Pratibhadyate. Brahmatma Darshane Stiribhuta Chitta Vritti Nam Kvachit Prayojanantarapeksha Asti. So the Brahmatmatva Darshanam, that the oneness, the vision of oneness of Atma with Brahma, and that is Tiribhuta, Chitta with the Vritti, which is the Chittam, and that Vritti is strong for those who have this, the vision very firm, very clear. Kvachit Prayojana Antarapeksha Chet. For some purpose, some prayojanam, antarapeksha asti chet. Prayojanantara apeksha asti chet. Anya prayojanam asti chet. Other than this, appreciating this knowledge of oneness with Ishvara, prayojana antara apeksha asti chet. If there is expectation of anya prayojanam, another purpose, another utility, then this nishta is obstructed. Therefore, bhagya atmatvam cha syat, tataha karyantaram bhagyam kvachit anapekshya mumukshoho sada ekapaраtvena bhavittavyam. Ta nishta pratipadyate, that nishta is obstructed, is hindered. Then bhagya atmatvam cha syat, then that Atmatvam will be Bhagya with oneness with the Bhagya, that is Sharira Mana Sangati. Then Karyantaram Bhagyam Tataha, therefore Karyantaram Bhagyam Tvachita Api Anapekshya. Therefore, there is no Anya Bhagya Karya Apeksha Nasti. There is no other Prayojanam or no other Bhagya external Karya is not there for the mumukshu. There is no dependency. There is no dependency for the mumukshu on any external vishayas, and there is no prayojanam of any other thing for a mumukshu. The external vastus, the bhagya vastu, bhagya prapancha. Therefore, mumukshu, he should be always sada ekaparattvena, while having only that as the goal. Ekaparattvena should be bhavitavyam. Therefore, tatparayanaha. Therefore, there is no other prayojanam, means there is bhagya vastunam or bhagya vrittinam prayojanam nasti mumukshoho, because bhagya vritti, association with the external vishayas, objects, prapancha, that strengthens only Veda vritti, not Atma buddhi. That will only perpetuate samsara. So, therefore, always having this Brahma as the Paratvam as the goal, commitment to that should be Bhavitavyam iti aha tatparayanaha. So the Nishtha is in Brahma is obstructed when there is Prayojanantara Apeksha. If Prayojanantara Apeksha is then Nishtha Pratipadyate. Therefore, there will be identification of Atmatvam with the Bhagya Vishaya. Therefore, not depending on any thing which is external, always being committed to the Atma, that Brahma alone, the person should be, Mumukshu should be. Therefore, Tatparayanaha. In other words, Purushartha Nishchayaha Ityarthaha, as we saw. Commitment to Purushartha, Moksha Purushartha, Tatparayanaha. Tat Satchidanandaika Rasam Advitiyam Svatmana Adhikatam Param Brahma Eva Bhagi Antaha Sada Buddhivrittehe Chakshushaha Rupavat Param Niyatam Ayanam Gatihi Yesham Te Tatparayanaha. Tat Satchidananda Ekarasam, that Brahma which is Sat Chit Ananda Ekarasam, and that is Advitiyam Brahma, Svatmana Adhikatam, it is known as oneself, Adhikatam, that Param Brahma, Eva, that alone, and Bhagi outside as well as inside, Sada, Buddhi Vrittehe, Chakshushaha Rupavat, Param Niyatam, as eyes are the means for Chakshushaha Rupavat. It is for knowing the forms, Rupavat. Therefore, Buddhi Vrittehe Niyatam Ayanam. Niyatam Ayanam. Ayanam is Gatihi, movement, or Ayanam, it is a goal. So, Niyatam Ayanam, Buddhi Vrittehe Niyatam Ayanam. Niyatam, the restriction or commitment, restriction of the movement of the Buddhi Vritti. That is, the Buddhi Vritti is only with this as its goal. Niyatam Ayanam, Ayanam is Gatihi, Yeshamte, for those. That is Tatparayanaha. It is the compound Acharya explains nicely. So, Sachidananda Ekarasam Advitiyam Param Brahma Swatmana Param Brahma Eva iti Sarvatra Bhagihi Antaha iti Sarvatra Sada Buddhi Vrittehe Gatihi Niyatam Ayanam Gatihi. Always the Buddhi Vritti as its Ayanam movement. Movement means it has its engagement only with, commitment only to this Buddhi. The Buddhi has got commitment only with this alone. That Gatihi, it is the destination, moksha. Moksha Gatihi. Ayanam gatihi moksha gatihi. For whom it is tatparayanaha, it means tatpara referring to people who are committed only to this. So therefore, ahara vihara sada sarvatra brahma darshanam, brahmaniyavatma darshanam cha. So ahara, eating, vihara, recreation in all other activities, sada, always, sarvatra, everywhere, brahma darshanam, sarvatra brahma darshanam, brahmaniyavatma darshanam, seeing oneself as Brahma, brahmaniyavatma darshanam cha, chideka vritya, eka buddhya, eka vritti, chit eka vritya, ye na munchati te tatparayanaha. Brahmanieva Atmadarshanam cha chit chideka vritya ye na munchanti, who doesn't move away from this eka vritti of this chit, Brahma, Chaitanya. Na munchanti, doesn't get separated, doesn't give up, doesn't go away. Na munchati. Therefore, that they are tatparayanaha. Therefore, they are always have this as their goal. So, eka vritya, and the vritti is with regard to the chitta Brahma. Therefore, chideka vritya ye na munchanti. Te tatparayanaha. Sadatma Ramaha ityartha. Sada Atma, they rebels are always in Atma. Sada Atma Ramaha Bhagavacham ityartha. Evam sarvatra Brahma darshanam. Brahmani eva Atma darshanam. Therefore, seeing everything as Brahma and seeing oneself as Brahma, that tanishtatvam, tatparaganatvam, cha videka muktehe, asadharana karanam, etat chatushtayam anushtishanti, ye brahmavidaha. The four things, evam, in this way, everywhere, Brahma darshanam, Brahmani eva Atma darshanam, therefore tanishta, tatparayana, cha, these are the asadharana. This is the cause. Asadharana karanam, etat chatushtayam, the four things, tadbuddhaya, tadatmanaha, tanishtaha, tatparayanaha, anutishtanti, they follow. Who follow this? Mumukshu, ye, that brahmavidaha, Brahma veti, janati, iti, brahmavidaha, jananti, brahmavidaha, te, evam, following these four, anutishtanti, they come to know Brahma, they discover that Brahma to be oneself, Brahmagyani, Jnaninaha, Brahmavidaha, Bhavanti, Brahmavit, Brahmaiva Bhavati, therefore Brahmavidaha, evam, Jnananidhuta Kalmashaha, Jnane, Ukta Antaranga Sadhana Chatushtaya Anu Titya Apratibaddhatam Gatena Nirdotam Nishesham Praksharitam Kalmasham Bauddham. Bauddham is Buddhigatam Bauddham. Jagat Brahmanaha, Jagat Brahmanoho, Brahmatmanoscha, Veda Grahana Lakshanam Yesham Te, Jnana Radhuta Kalvashaha Santaha. Jnanena Uktantaranga Sadha Chatushtaya. That is the four sadhanas are Antaranga Sadhanani, Chatushtaya. For Anushtitya, by following, by the performance of this four Antaranga Sadhana, and by that Apratibaddatam, Apratibadda Jnanam, Apratibaddata, Jnanena Ukta Antaranga Sadhana Chatushtaya Anushtitya. That Tadbuddhayaha by Tadbuddhayaha Tadatmana, referring to the persons having those, but through that sadhanas are specified. There are Antaranga Sadhana for Jnanam. Therefore, Jnanena Uktantaranga Sadhana Chatushtaya Anushtitya, by performing these four sadhanas, Apratibaddatam, without any obstructions, Apratibaddatam, no Pratibadda, Gatena Nirdotam is Ni stands for Nishesham, total, Dotam Praksharitam, Kalmasham is Praksharitam, all the kalmashas are removed, and they are not external. It is all both it is buddhi gatam. It is related to the buddhi. Ajnana vrittis are destroyed. Ajnanam is destroyed. Therefore, pratibaddatam referring to the person for those people who are free from all the pratibadda obstruction. Therefore, Gautam Jagat Brahmanoho, Brahmatmanoscha, Jagat and Brahma and Atma. So Jiva Jagat Brahma. Therefore, Veda Grahana Lakshanam Eshamte, that is gone, Nirdutam. That is the Bauddham Kalmasham. The difference which is there in the Buddhi, that is the Kalmasham, that is Prakshalitam for those who follow this for Antaranga Sadhana Chatushtayam. Eshamte, that is they Nirjnana Nirduta Kalmashaha, Santaha, being so. Swayam, by they themselves, Apunarabhritim, Bhuyaha, again, Dega Sambanditva Apattihi, gaining again the Shariram. That is Punarabhritti. Punarabhritti, Tat Abhavaha, absence of that. Therefore, Apunarabhritim. It means they don't gain the Shariram. Apunarabhritti, Tam, Dega Sambandha Ragitam, not associated with the body. It means there is no more Janma for them. Ityukte Muktihi, Muktim Gachanti, they gain Mukti. Brahmatmana Sthiti Dashayam, Galite, Asmin Dege Brahmani Vrittau Leenayam Satyamayam Swayam Brahmakarena Eva Tishtanti Ityartaha. Brahmatmana Sthiti Dashayam, in the Dasha, in the Avastha, Brahmatma Avastha, Galite, when this Brahmatmana, Sthiti Dashayam, in this Sthiti Avastha, in this Brahmatma Sthiti, Galite, when it culminates, when it fructifies, when this knowledge happens, Galite Sati, Tatra, Asmin Dege Brahmani, Virtau Leenayam, Satyam, Swayam, Brahmakarena Tishtati. When in this, while living itself, Asmin Dege, Brahmani, Virtau Leenayam, Satyam, Brahmani Eva, when the Vritti is resolves, when the Vritti is one with this Brahma, Satyam, when the Vritti is Brahma, Vritti, Akandakara Vritti, Brahmatma Vritti, Swayam, Brahmakarena eva tishtati. So there is no difference between Ishvara and me. So Brahmani Vrittau Leenayam. When the Vritti, when the thoughts is Leena resolves in Brahma while living Asmin Dehe in this Shariram for that person, then Brahmakarena, he has got Akara, not Degakara, Sharirakara, Brahmakara of the form of Brahma. Is Brahma. Tishtanti, it remains as Brahma. It means Brahma with Brahmaiva Bhavati Ityartaha. Even though he has got Sharira, he engages in activities, but he doesn't have Sharira Buddhi. It's very difficult to understand how a Jnani would act in the world. So he is for him, there is only Brahma, there is nothing else. So the thought of individuality is not there. Therefore, Brahmakara Vrittihi, Brahmakara Vritti, therefore there is no Dehakara. But Deha functions for external person that he may think that the Jnani has got Deha and acting. But for him there is no. It is very difficult to understand. It is only Jnani knows. So therefore he says, Brahmatmana Sthiti Dashayam, Asmin Dege Galite, while living with this body, there is Jivan Mukti with the body. After the fall of the body, so Galite is in Saptami, so Sati Saptami. Asmin Dehe Galite. When this Shariram is dropped, then what happened to that person? While living, in fact, it doesn't matter for the Jnani. Sharire, Sharira Stito, Shariram, Astiva, Nastiva. Shariram Galite, when Shariram is gone, Galite, Asmin Dehe, Brahmani Vritta, while living, or the Shariram is gone. So when Shariram is dropped, that Vritti is Brahmani Eva Vritti Leenayam Satyam. When there is a Leena resolution of that Vritti in Brahma, then he is Brahma. So where is Shariram then? The Shariram is there or not, that is with regard, that is only for the other people, perception, not for him. So in the avastha of Brahmatma, that is oneness with Brahma, in the Jnana avastha, Brahmatmana Siti Dashaya, Galite Asmin Dehe, in this Shariram, which is Galita, which is the Shariram which is dissolved when it is when it is gone, when it is Sharire Galite Sati. Brahmani Eva, in Brahma alone, this Vritti is resolved. Brahmani Eva Vritti is resolved, that is while living. Then when the Shariram is gone, then what happened to that person? Swayam Brahmakarena, that is his original avastha. So Swayam Brahmakarena Eva Tishtati, that is Videha Mukti, that is no Shariram and no person. What is there is only Brahma alone. Therefore, what is his Akara now? There is no individuality, there is no person there, it is Brahmakarena Eva Tishtati, Brahmeva Bhavati, Brahmavit. That is what Acharya explains. The words is difficult to explain the Brahmavastha, but it is done. So therefore, there is resolution of this vritti, this Veda vritti in Brahma vritti, that Ajnana, this Ajnana vritti is gone. Therefore, Brahmani eva vrittau leenayam satyam. The vritti, when it is resolved in Brahma, Dega is there or not there, it doesn't matter. So, Asmin Dega Galite, when this Shariram is dissolved, and that is Brahma Avastha, then in Brahma Avastha, where there is no Shariram, then what is that person like after death? What happened to the person? We may say that person goes to some other loka. But what about the Brahma Jnani? Brahmavit, Brahmaiva Bhavati, Brahmakarena Tishtati is Brahma, is Ishvara, Brahmakarena Tishtanti. Ityartaha. That is the meaning. Gachantya Punaravrittim Jnana Radhuta Kalmashaha. That is Apunaravrittim. Dega Sambandaha Nasti. There is no Dega Sambandha again. When Dega is not there, how to conceive of that person? How to conceive of Vasishta? How to conceive of Shankaracharya? How to conceive of Gaudapada, Govindapada, Bhagavadpada? There is no form, there is no more such individual personality. Brahma with Brahmakarena Tishtanti. That Brahma alone we worship in a particular form. They are not with that form anymore. When they lived, they had that form. When they left the body, where is that form? Form has gone. Therefore, now what is their form? There is no form. It is formless from Brahmakarena Tishtanti Ityartaha. That is the meaning. Then the next shloka, back to Bhashyam. Important shloka and often quoted shloka. Let us read the Sangati. Yesham Jnanena
येषां ज्ञानेन
ज्ञानेन
Nashitam Atmanah Ajnanam
नाशितम्
नाशितम् आत्मनः अज्ञानं
अज्ञानम्
ज्ञानम्
ते पंडिताः
ते
ते
पंडिताः
पंडिताः
ते
कथं
पंडिताः
कथं तत्त्वं पश्यन्ति इत्युच्यते।
कथं
कथं
तत्त्वं
तत्त्वं
पश्यन्ति
पश्यति
कथं तत्त्वं
इत्युच्यते
पश्यन्ति इति उच्यते।
ज्ञानिनः ज्ञानिनः दृष्टिः कथं भवति इति अत्र उक्तम्। येषां for those how jnanis they perceive this world after jnanam. After jnanam how they perceive this is taught to the ajnanis, not to the jnani, because jnanis they know. So it's how the jnanis perceive this world when they have aveda buddhi. When they have aveda buddhi, how to perceive, how they perceive the world, how they transact the world, how transaction is possible. That transaction part is not talked about, but how what is the perception? Transaction part, previous chapter, it is talked about. Sharira, kevalam sharira yatrartham jivanti. Only just to exhaust that prarabdha karma. So therefore the Pashin Shunman, even it is talked about before, or yes, before Pashin Shunman, Pashin Jigran, Nashtan, Gachan, Sapan, Shwasan, all actions they do. Kintu naiva kinchit karomi iti. I don't do anything. Iti buddhya karma kuruvanti. There is no karta, and that is karta is that karta is bharita karta. Bharita karta karma kurati. Therefore, it is kartra abhasa. It is kartra abhasa karma kurvanti. That is how we have to explain through words. All these words, with words we try to explain the jnanam or jnanavastha, it is something impossible. But that impossible is also made possible to some extent by the acharyas and the tradition. We call it as kartra abhasa. They do action, they do karma, but it is not real. It is abhasa. Now, for the jnani, how this jagat will appear, because they are tattva darshinaha, tattva drashtaraha, katam bhavati tesham drishtihi, loka drishtihi. That is said in this shloka. Acharya gives sangati. Yesham jnanena nashitam atmanaha ajnanam. Atmanaha ajnanam, the ignorance of with regard to atma jnanam, atmanaha jnanam, atma jnanam, the ignorance of the knowledge, the ignorance of atma, the self, which is destroyed by jnanam. Te panditaha, panda asya asti iti panditaha. Panda is atma vishayaka jnanam. Panda means jnanam, atma vishayaka jnanam. That is what panda is. Not just pandita is priest. That is by extension or loosely that meaning is given. Panda is jnanam. Atma visheka jnanam is panda. Atma visheka jnanam panda yasya asti. Te panditaha. Te katam pashyanti tattvam pashyanti. How they perceive this, how they see. Pashyanti. Pashyanti means seeing. How do they see the truth? Iti, if that is the question. That is, how they see the truth. Will they be always in samadhi, sada samadhi avasthayam tishtanti va? Atava loke vyaharam kurvanti chet katam kurvanti, katam tesham loka drishtihi bhavati iti prashnaha. Tasya uttaram acharyaha bhagavan prashnaha tasya uttaram dadati. So as we saw in the previous shloka, as a mumukshu, the person he follows is sadhana chatushtaya sampatti is required. Therefore, tatparayanaha, etc., purushartha nishchaya, everything. The person must have vairagya. Vairagya is, as we saw in Viveka Chudamani, Vishayeshu dosha drishtihi. And because of dosha drishti, therefore, stapanam swasvagolake, that is shama, dama, etc. So, Vishayeshu dosha darshanam. That is vairagya, that gives vairagya. So, because why dosha drishti? Because Jagat is, the world is, it binds me, therefore, dosha drishti. To create more vairagya, therefore to be objective, so that I am not carried over by the vishayas of this world, therefore dosha drishti. But what about for the jnani? For ajnani, this loka is doshavat, doshavan lokaha, vishayeshu. Because vishayas, they bind in the form of atriptikaratvam, bandhakatvam, dukkha mishritatvam. But what about for the jnani? Tesham drishti katam bhavati. For them, the world is Brahma eva. This Namarupatmakam, this Jagat is Brahma. Sarvatra Brahmadarshinaha te Tesham Krite Idam Jagat Yat Jagat Purvam Bandhahetu Idanim Saha Tat Jagat Brahmanaha na Binnaha Tadeva Atma Jnaninaha Panditanam Drishtihi Panditasya Drishtihi Sarvam Brahma iti. Therefore, Samadrishti, Sarvatra Samadrishti, everything is Brahma when we say. The Jagat is Brahma. Jagat is Brahma, therefore everything is Brahma. That Jagat which was a source of bondage, now it is Brahma Bhavati. Chet Katam Pashyanti, Katam Tattvam Pashyanti, iti Prashnaha Vadet. Tasya Uttaram, Bhagavan gives. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavi Astini.
विद्या विनयसम्पन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि
Yunichaiva Shvapake cha Pandita Samadarshinaha.
शुनिचैव स्वपाके च
पंडिता
पण्डिताः समदर्शिनः
Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavi Astini Shunicha. Shapake cha Panditaha Jnaninaha Samadarshinaha Bhavanti. Panditaha Samadarshinaha Bhavanti. Panditaha Samadarshinaha Katam Bhavati. Samadarshinaha Samam Pashyanti. Iti Samadarshinaha. Sarvatra Brahma Pashyanti Brahmadarshinaha Samadasama. Samoham Sarvabhuteshu. Samaityukte Brahmadarshinaha Samadarshinaha. Upapada Samasa Samam. Atva Brahma Drashtum Shilam Yesham Te. It is. Samam Pashyanti. Then it is Drashtum Shilam Yesham Te. Therefore, it is Tachilyartha Nini Prataya Darshi, like Tattvadarshi, Samadarshi, Tattvadarshinaha. Nasato Vidyate Bhavaha, Nabhava Vidyate Sataha. Vayoravedashtontaha, Tonayos Tattvadarshibhihi. The same Tattvadarshi. Tattvam Drashtum Shilam Eshante. Brahma Drashtum Shilam Eshante. So it is Tachilyartha Nini Prataya. So Samadarshinaha, Samadarshi, Panditaha, Samadarshi, Atmadarshi. When we say Atmadarshi, Therefore, it implies there are many things. And those things are mentioned. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane. Vidya cha Vinayascha. Vidya Vinayo. Vidya cha Vinayena cha Vidya Vinayo. Vidya Vinayabhyam Sampannaha. Endowed with Vidya and Vinaya. Endowed with Vidya and Vinaya. Vidya is knowledge, Jnanam, Shastra Jnanam. Vinayaha, Vinayaha ityukte. Vidya dadati Vinayam. Vinayaha. Namrata. Indriya Nigraha Vinayata. Tabhyam Sampanne Yuktaha Yukte. Kaha Yuktaha Kaha Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha Taheva Brahmanaha Pujyaha Loke. Brahmanaha Pujyaha, because yes, Brahmana is knowledgeable and is supposed to be Vinaya, supposed to be humble, because he has got knowledge. Vidya should give Vinaya. Therefore, Brahmanaha Pujyaha, Pujye, with regard to Pujya, Vastu Pujya, Padat Pujya thing, Pujya Vastu, Tadvat Shuni, Shunihi, Shunaha, Shwana, Kukuraha, Brahmanaha Pujyaha, Kukuraha, Upekshaniyaha, Ashuddhaha, therefore Upekshaniyaha. Kintu Panditaha, Yasya Panda Atmajnanam Jata Saha, Panditaha, Bhagyam Upadim na Pashyanti, Kintu Brahma eva Pashyanti, Gavi Astini Shuni Shvapakecha, Sarvatra Samadarshanam. Brahmane Gavi Astini Shuni Shvapake Ete Sarve Brahmanaha iti. Ete Binnaha Padarthaha. Brahmana stands for Sattva. Shuni and this Gavi and Astini. Gavi is cow, stands for Rajas. Shuni Shapaka stands for Tamas. Everything is made of these three gunas. So therefore, this Sattvika Sharireshu Satvika Brahmaneva Rajasa Sharireshu Gavi Astani Ityadishu Tamasa Sharireshu Api Bhasamana Chaitanyam Ekameva, therefore Samadachinaha. We see the same Chaitanyam, Brahma Chaitanyam everywhere. Therefore, Panditaha is Jnaninaha, Samadachinaha iti. Therefore, Samam Drashtum, he has got Jnanam, he doesn't see the Upadi, he sees only Brahma Chaitanyam. Samadarshanam, nato Samavartanam. Samavartanam, not possible. He cannot treat everyone in the Loka equally. But he has got Samadarshanam. That is different. We can cows that should be in the shed. Dogs that should be in the proper place. Similarly, Shvapaka, everything has its place. We appreciate the difference in terms of the Akara, but at the same time, he sees Brahma Chaitanyam in everything. By Upadi, the Chaitanyam is untouched. Chaitanyam being that. Therefore, Upadina Chaitanyasya Kapi Apattihi na bhavati. Therefore, Samadarshanam. Because we had got Samadarshanam, should he treat everything equally in the world? In the world, it is some certain protocols are there. Therefore, Vyavaharasya, in Vyavahara, keeping with the whatever the Vyavahara, this Vartanam, that will be. But his vision is everything is Brahma. यथा पंडितः ज्ञानी ब्राह्मणेन सह व्यवहरति तथा कुक्कुरेण सह न करोति, नाट् पासिबल। व्यवहारस्तु शरीरस्य योग्यता भवति, किन्तु अंतःकरणे फॉर हिम अंतःकरण अयं मत्तः भिन्नः इति भेदबुद्धिः न भवति। That is pandita, that is jnana, that is panda. In terms of vyavahara, there are differences, but in terms of the knowledge that that person or that shunihi, that is shwanam, the shwa, atava shvapakaha, gauhu, and this asti, they are not different from me. Veda buddhihi nasti. He is not carried over by the other upadhi. He very well knows everything is Brahma Chaitanyam eva. That is why Samadarshanam, not Samadarshanam to Samavartanam. This is often quoted and this shloka, and that is the shloka is misunderstood also. Because he has got Samadarshanam, shouldn't he treat all in the same way? In the Loka and the Loka Vyavahara, it is not possible and it is not proper also. Everything has its place. Therefore, it is treated in that way. Because it is treated, it doesn't mean he has got Veda Buddhi. There is no dent of this ignorance in the mind of a Jnani. This treating them as it deserves in the world doesn't mean that he has got Veda Buddhi. Abheda Buddhi is with regard to Chaitanya, Brahma Chaitanya. And Veda Buddhi is with regard to only to Upadhi. So therefore, Brahmana is Sattva Pradhana Purusha, is pure, is externally also pure, whereas Shuni, etc., Shwa, etc., they are impure. Therefore, Sharira Vivahara Katam Sambhavati, not possible. So for that, the difference is not there in terms of the truth, appreciating the truth. The difference is there in terms of the Vyavahara in the Loka. So, because there is a Vyavahara Veda, it doesn't mean it's got Vedatvam in Paramarthika Drishti. So that should be understood. That is the Panditaha Jnaninaha Samadarshinaha. We will see more on this in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Dhanyavadaha.